How to solve tool chatter in CNC lathes. Tool chatter refers to excessive vibration of the tool or workpiece during machining, causing vibration marks on the product surface. We can solve the problem of blade vibration from 3 aspects. 1. Check clamping. Ensure minimal overhang. The clamping length should be at least 1/5 of the workpiece. 2. Inspect tools. Shorten tool extension. Use special tools or extended tool holders if needed. 3. Adjust programming. Modify spindle speed, feed rate, and cutting parameters for the workpiece.